quite like that song. It reminds me of something like opening intro of like maybe Stranger Things or like one of them sort of Netflix programs.
I just don't really know what to say about that. I think you have to be ready to be jumping about and stuff for that one, but it's not my type of music.
I enjoyed that. That was a good one. Bit more heavy, bit of heavy metal in there. Some good riffs at the start as well. So yeah, enjoyed that one.
Yeah, I could listen to that. Maybe sat like at a barbecue, maybe chilled in the summer. Bit of background music, but it was good. I enjoyed that.
That one's quite cool. I like that one. It reminds me of Creed or something like that when they're doing like a ring walk. Again, I don't understand the lyrics, but the tune's quite catchy. If this played in the change room before a game, I wouldn't be disappointed. It does quite get you in the mood to get going, getting ready for battle.
Very summery. Could picture myself driving down Malibu in California into the sunset to that one. Nice and chilled. Yeah, enjoyed that one. Down. Is that right?